Hi everyone, it's Tiffany. Welcome back to my channel. I am so excited. I got my first Gacha Gacha by Japan Crate. I love Gachapon. I really love it. So my son and I collect them, and this month was so cool because they had this little miniature vending machine, and I was hoping to get it, and they said that you get one in every box, so I bought 2 of them. So this is the first unboxing of the Gachapon from Japan Crate. Let's get started. So you get this little pamphlet that tells you what you might be getting or the style of gacha that you're gonna get. I really hope to get this festival fishing game and that tiny vending machine, and of course the Pokemon swimming figures. They also have these jar tote bags and these little cable sitting birds. So stinking cute. So I love gacha. This is cheaper than going to Japan, so let's do this. So inside you get 6 gacha capsules. Let's open up this one first. Okay, it looks like we got that tote bag. Now, usually you would go like in like a vending machine. I first experienced gacha back a long time ago at New York Comic-Con. The Bandai booth was there, and I just like went to town. I think I spent all my money in those machines, and it's just amazing, the world of gacha. Oh my gosh, look how cool this is. This is an actual tote bag, and it's a jar tote bag. Look how cute this is. This is like a jar of like one of their, oh, it's kimchi. That is so cute. This is so adorable. And you get this little mini tote bag inside this capsule. How crazy is that? These are the other ones that you could get. This is so cool. Oh my gosh, I need to learn Japanese. So you get these other ones as well. This one looks like it's larger. This might be the rare one. And we have some whatever's in here. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. I love it. I'm already so happy with my purchase. This was totally worth it for me. I would totally do the monthly. If you guys like that I unbox these, I will definitely get more for sure. Okay, this is the Pokemon one, and I already can see who we got. Got Pikachu. So excited for Go Fest. Do you play Pokemon Go? If you do, let me know in the comments and we can be friends. So he floats. Let's see if there's other ones. Oh my gosh. Here are the other ones that you can get, but they look like they're partner Pokemon. I would know their names if I saw them. Someone told me them. Okay, let's get Pikachu out. I'm more like Kanto. I know all the Kanto Pokemon. You could name anyone, and I will show me anyone, give me any number, and I'll tell you. The newer ones, no, can't do it. My son, on the other hand. Okay, this is really cute. Oh my gosh. I'm so happy we got Pikachu. That is so cool. And then you just put these 2 together, and you have your own little float. He has his own little floaty. How cute is this? Oh my gosh. So cute. Oh my gosh, it's the car. It's the game. Oh man, this is awesome. Vending machines. I only got like a couple, but this is so stinking cool. Here is the little, let me see what it's called exactly. Thank goodness we have a translation. So we have a festival fishing game. There's a green one, a purple one, yellow, and a blue one with actual little fishies. These look like turtles, the green one. I don't know what those are. They look like little beads. And this one looks like ducks. Oh, I wish I got that one. And you just add water. Oh my gosh, that's so cool. So cute. I can't. It has a little bowl. I can't deal. This is adorable. Okay, let's see how we're gonna put this together. I love it. I need to get to Japan. Like, I have to go. I have to go to the Pokemon Center. I have to go to like Nintendo. I have to do all these things. I have to get there. Okay, they came with more and I dropped some, and I'm just not gonna look for them now, but as you can see, they're floating now inside. So let's wind this up and let's do some carnival games. This is so cute. I love it. I was able to find the rest of the balls. Awesome. I'm pretty sure I'm missing a couple of orange and a couple of pink, but that's okay. Let's keep going. When you're all done, you can set it up like this. This is so stinking cute. I love it. It's this, I don't even know what it is. It says Bandai, so it's gonna be good. Maybe. Whoa. Where did it go? Everything's just like flying. Okay, it is. Oh my gosh. And of course we get like one of my favorite birds, which is these snowy owls. Reminds me of Hedwig from Harry Potter. Oh my goodness. And it perches. So you can actually perch it on something. Let's see what we can perch it on. They have an image here of them perched on like a string, but I'm pretty sure you can perch it like on like a glass. Look, all my glasses are in the dishwasher, so I have this kitty cup. I'm just gonna use that, and it works, it fits. And this is kind of like a thicker rimmed glass. So if you have a thinner rimmed glass, or thinner rimmed cup, if you have a thinner rimmed glass, it would actually look a lot better. Let's put them like this. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. This is adorable. This is the moment I've been waiting for. The vending machine. Oh my gosh. OMG. Here it is. How cute is this? And look at what it comes with. Little miniature items to vend. These are all the other ones you can collect. So tiny. Okay, I was able to get the sign on. Now we have to work on the door. The door is like coming off a little bit, so let's try to fix that. Now, I already broke the sign, so I don't want to break the door. Everything doesn't seem like it's too strong here. Obviously, because it's like so tiny and it's just a novelty thing. Obviously, it's not going to work like a real vending machine. However, let's at least get that part. So let's close the door now. And let's see if we could just vend whatever's inside at the moment. See if it works. Oh, and when you move that, the door comes off. I see what it does. Okay, so that's just for show. So let's put these little tiny pieces in. They're so small. Okay, that's one. And they actually drop in really, really easily. This is so cute. And now we want to dispense this right here. Okay, and every time we dispense it, the door flies off. There it is. Oh, and the door didn't fly off, thank goodness. And I'll show you my prize or my snack. It's super duper tiny. It's so small and so cute. I don't know what it says, but I think it says Pocky. I can't really tell. Either way, I love it. This is so cute, totally worth it. And I can't wait to open up the second package for the July Gacha Crate. Thank you so much for watching. If you like Gacha Gacha by Japan Crate and you want to see more of these videos, let me know in the comments. Like 100 likes on this video, that I'm totally going to get more. It'd be great to see some more engagement on my videos. So if you could just do that, that'd be great. You can also check me out on social media and you could see more of these adorable little Gacha Gacha prizes that I got in this month's July crate. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching and I hope you enjoyed this video. Oh no. Thanks for watching guys. Have a great day.